friends. VIOF World is One Family, a socio-environmental website providing awareness, has been a dream for many years, but somehow I couldn't implement it due to the lack of time and effort. However, in the time of this COVID crisis, prompted by a friend, I embarked finally on this journey, and along with 30 of my close friends, we spent all our weekends during this lockdown of 4 to 5 months to bring you this beautiful website. Please do support us in this journey, and together we can make this a better planet for everyone. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. I'm really excited that the launch of the WIOF website coincides with this auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi. Very quick one. The reason why I felt that I should get associated with this is because the cause, which was about the well-being of the world, was much bigger than any of the individual causes or pursuits that each one of us may or could have pursued, which is what really got me attracted and inspired. Wishing you all the very best and see you soon.
Hey, good morning everyone. This is Mahesh Kakre. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for completing this task, and on this auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi, we are able to do a soft launch for our website World is One Family. All the hard work which we have spent for last 5 months finally has come into a good shape. So thank you and congratulations once again. And I want to highlight that this was a long pending dream for Shiv, which finally has come to a good shape, and I wish we will make it a much more bigger website with all the exciting stuff. Thank you. Good day.
Hi everyone. Great ideas are many times born out of crisis, and I think it is also something which is really true for World is One Family, where everybody, all of us, we embarked upon this journey some 6 months back during Corona times, and today we are nearing our first logical conclusion milestone. A message to the users would be that this portal is supposed to help you become more environment friendly, to think each action of yours, how it impacts the planet, and in general your health, your happiness. And if by the end of it, by the end of the journey, if we are able to help you guys be a little more conscious of how your actions are impacting the environment, we would consider ourselves accomplished and successful. We are open to ideas. We are a very dynamic and passionate team, and we would look forward to your feedback. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Naved. I am part of Shiv's Super 30 team and also the development team of our website. And I always like to work towards socio or environmental causes, and maybe that's driven me to grab this golden opportunity. I'm sure this platform, this World is One Family platform, gonna help us for the betterment of our mother nature and also improve our lifestyle. Love your planet, love yourself. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi everyone. Well, World is One Family is a project very near and dear to me. I have been able to become a part of this project through Shiv. As far as the world of technology is concerned, we have made so much progress, and for me, World is One Family is an attempt to use the same technology for the well-being of this planet. Thank you.
Hello everyone. WorldIsOneFamily.com is a platform for everyone who wants to work towards the protection of environment. We basically focus on the 5 elements of the nature, which are water, earth, air, energy and spirit. So we will be working towards the protection of environment in whatever ways we can, and I hope you will be joining us in this journey. So thanks for the visit. This is Ishan from the development team, WorldIsOneFamily.com.
My aim is to reach out to millions and to help them unite for one common cause, that is to protect our planet and all the diverse life that lives on it. This all started in an eco club where we were all determined to raise awareness about climate change and how our small individual choices can have a massive impact towards it. WIOF is one of my ways to help people make connection that all lives on this planet is equal and together we can save them all.
Hello everyone, wishing you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I am Kuldeep Singh Juneja and I am very fortunate to be part of World is One family. This has been a common dream for me and my friends, including Shiv and many others, and we would request you for your support and love, and as we work together and bring this to all of you. Thank you.
Almost all of us wishes to do more or less for the environment or to make the planet better to live for all the species. But we really don't know how to start, where to start. So a bunch of people, like-minded people, have came up with the idea of worldisonefamily.com, led by Shiv. It's a really noble initiative to save our environment. The name itself suggests as worldisonefamily.com. It's for us, it's for them, it's for all of us living on this planet, to make the planet, the life of every species better to live.